Good morning everyone. Welcome to English class. This is Uma Ganga, working as school assistant English in Government High School, Molali. Today, let us know how to score better marks in writing an interview. Let's go into the details. Interview. Interview is a major discourse which comes in English paper 1 for 10 marks. Interview. Interview is a communication between two people. In any interview, there will be two members. One, the interviewer who asks the question, and the other one is interviewee who responds to the asked questions. Now, let us know what an interview is. It is one of the most common formal forms of communication in today's world. An exchange of communication between two people at a time. A process in which the interviewer elicits the feelings, opinions and experiences of interviewee in a formal way. Now we shall see what does an interview contains. An interview consists of involvement of two persons. They are interviewer, a person who asks the questions, and interviewee, person who responds to questions. It has a purpose. Why are we interviewing? The reason for interviewing. An interview should consist of a formal greeting. An interview should always begin with a proper introduction. Interview consists of information or content which is discussed in between. Interview also contains a polite and formal conclusion and leave taking. Writing an interview is very easy if we follow certain steps. Let us see what are the steps involved in writing an interview. First of all, understand the situation. Next, understand the context and the profile of the person who is being interviewed. Example, Nick, Narayan Murthy, Kalam, etc. Always begin the interview with a formal and polite greetings. There should be a proper introduction. It should also maintain a proper sequence of exchanges, that is from present to past. Questions framed must be suitable to the context. While framing questions, use signposts like "Could you please?" "We would like to hear," "May I know?" etc. Try to focus on the feelings, opinions and achievements of the person being interviewed. Use appropriate tenses and sentence structure. Ensure that you are using the correct spellings and punctuation marks. While writing an interview, not only the introduction but closing is also important. The closing must be polite and proper, like "Thank you very much for spending your valuable time," or "It's very nice meeting you," or "Thank you very much for sharing your experiences with us," etc. Try to write down minimum 10 to 12 exchanges. Don't forget, children. Children, we shall see how an interview discourse is evaluated. Usage of discourse markers and language appropriate to the context, it gives you 2 marks. Questions and responses relevant to the context, it gives you 2 marks. Coherence, our proper use of connectives and pronouns, it also gives you 2 marks. Proper introduction and beginning, appropriate closing of the interview, grammatical aspects like tenses, person, number and gender features and agreement, etc. and conventions of writing, all together gives you each 1 mark. So all together makes the discourse 10 marks, which gives a proper shape to an interview. Let's go with an example. Assume yourself as the reporter of local news channel and you were asked to interview Nobel Prize winner Vangar Maathai on World Environment Day June 5th, who is going to visit Hyderabad for a conference. Children, if you were asked to prepare an interview using such kind of questions, don't be panicked, it's very easy. Let us see how to write down an interview. Before starting an interview, just give 2 or 3 lines of background. Like, good morning viewers, this is XXX, Chief Reporter of the local news channel, and here with us is the Nobel Prize winner, Mrs. Vangar Maathai. Let's welcome her. Here, instead of your name, I have used the word XXX. Don't forget, children. Let's start writing an interview. As I told you, an interview should have a proper introduction with a formal and polite greetings. Using such words, we can give a polite greetings. Hello madam, good morning. This is XXX warm welcome. And the response also in the same way, good morning, it's my pleasure. After the completion of the formal greetings, the first question framed should be based on the present situation or the recent action. In this context, winning of Nobel Prize by Vangar Maathai is the recent action. So, let's frame the question based upon that. First of all, congratulations on winning the Nobel Prize. Could you please share your feelings on this achievement? And the response given by the Vangar Maathai, I felt very happy that I was able to educate tribal women for learn plantation rather than winning the prize. Here I have used the word could you please. Don't forget to use the signpost, children, while framing the questions. We shall see some more questions. May I know how did you become an environmentalist? Vangar Maathai. When I attended the United Nations conference in 1975, I wondered on women asking for food, water and clean drinking water. All these were there 20 years ago when I was a child. So I wanted to rehabilitate the previous environment. Next question. News reporter. May I know why did you start Green Belt movement? Vangar Maathai. I started Green Belt movement to bring back the greenery on the earth. I wanted to see the environment as it was in my childhood. The next question. News reporter. We would like to hear from you the reason for choosing women in this campaign. Vangar Maathai. Well, most of the women work on the farms. They are the ones who plant. They are the ones who cultivate and produce food. So, I taught them plantation. Children, here if you observe, all the questions and the responses framed here are related to the context. So, whenever you are asked to write an interview, the questions and the responses should be contextual related. Don't forget. The next question. News reporter. Madam, can you tell us what changes did you see? Vangar Maathai. One of the biggest change I saw was the ability of an ordinary illiterate woman building self-confidence, achieving a sense of dignity and pride by earning her own income instead of depending upon others. Women empowered themselves. The next one, news reporter. Last but not least, what message would you like to give public? Vangar Maathai. One thing I say that my greatest activity is to plant a tree as it is a wonderful symbol for the environment, and when we plant a seed, we plant hope, future for next generation. So, do something that will last forever. Children, while writing an interview, closing is also as important as an introduction. So, Let's see how to conclude an interview. We can conclude an interview by using these words like, it's very nice talking to you. Thank you very much for spending your valuable time and sharing your experiences with us. And the response, thank you very much by Vangar Matai. Children, we shall see what are the possible questions which you may be asked in the exam. You may ask to interview Nick and Narayan Murthy from Unit 1, any film actor reference of Savitri, the eldest son of Bayaji from Unit 5, Vangar Matai from Unit 6 and Abdul Kalam from Unit 7. So children, now I believe you are all familiar with the tips and steps of writing an interview. Framing of questions plays a major role while writing an interview, and I hope you all will score better marks in this discourse. I wish you all the best. Thank you.